Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Aaron Does Art here, and so this is not a normal video. 2 videos in, I'm already not doing a normal video, but whatever. So, last video I told you I was going to be doing something crazy with this little spider meme art here, and I did add a few things that I didn't draw in the video. So I added this little exclamation point and the Pancake Extreme logo, obviously. So, and then I just did some coloring. So, got the blue fire right here, and I did a little bit of the muscle thing. I did leave the pencil lines in here just because it's kind of a sketch channel anyway. But you know, I don't normally do coloring, but I decided to leave that in there because I mean it needed to be colored for what we're gonna do. So let's go do that now. Alright, so I'm going to be putting it in this little cinch bag just so transportation purposes it's going to be easier. So, yeah. So, I'll catch you in a second. Okay, here we are. Let's go. House of Pancake Extreme.
It is.
Hello.
I was eating a cookie. So.
Okay. Was it a tag along?
No. It was just a Chips Ahoy.
Okay.
So.
Alright, well.
You got to deliver me. I've been waiting for this.
I have the goods right here.
Oh. Alright.
So, this is his first time seeing it.
Oh, look at it so bad. Okay. I'm gonna mess it up here. Alright, I'm turning it around, alright?
Alright. So, they already know what it looks like.
Okay. Oh my goodness, dude. That is insane. Dude, that's so cool, man. He's got the fireball. He's like, dude, that is so cool. Oh my goodness. I was gonna. Dude, that's so cool. I haven't seen anything like that, dude. I'm gonna put that on the wall.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it.
Okay.
I gotta find a place for it. I think I'm gonna put it right there.
Alright.
Find my tape. If I have any, I don't know if I have any. I can't find it right now.
I don't know why I'm still wearing my sunglasses. It's not that bright up here.
I'm gonna do some tape. I know how to tape roller. Anyway. Ah. Dude, that's so cool, man. This is insane. Let's see. I'll put the other tape later. Oh my goodness, dude. It's like all powerful Spider meme.
I think Spider Meme would approve.
I think he would too. You want me to get him come up here?
Sure. Sure, go ahead.
I'll go get him.
Alright.
Get him.
Spider Meme? Yes. That is you. You're welcome, Spider Meme. I think he was speechless. That was amazing. So, yeah. There you have it, guys. I delivered my Spider Meme drawing to Pancake Extreme. As you can see, it's been a couple of days because I changed shirts. But that is all for today. Spider Meme seemed pretty happy with it. Lane seemed pretty happy with it. Lane knew it was coming, but he had never seen it before, so I'd say that went pretty well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.